Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Reading with Kids, and today we are going to read very interesting story, A Temple for All Faiths. Okay, so let's start reading it. A Temple for All Faiths. The students of class 4 of a Delhi-based school are sitting in the school bus. They are going on a school trip to the Baha'i Temple. Ali, Akriti, David, and Amandeep are close friends and classmates and live in the same neighborhood. Ali informs Akriti, I go to a masjid with my father to say the namaz. A temple is a house of worships for Hindus. Surely, Akriti, you can tell us about this temple. So, what is happening in this story? सारे बच्चे स्कूल की ट्रिप पर जा रहे हैं एंड अली आकृति डेविड एंड अमनदीप चार बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड्स हैं लाइक यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर ऑल आर सिटिंग टुगेदर इन द बस Ali is saying to Akriti that I go to masjid with my father to say namaz. Can you tell us something about temples? So Akriti says, oh, I have never visited this temple before, but I know how to pray in a temple. We pray by lighting a jyot before idols and singing bhajans. She says proudly. तो आकृति ने क्या बोला कि मैं इस टेम्पल में कभी पहले गई नहीं हूँ बट आई नो हाउ टू प्रे इन टेम्पल हम लोग नॉर्मली क्या करते हैं कि एक जोत जलाते हैं दीपक लगाते हैं बिफोर द आइडल्स भगवान की मूर्ति के सामने और हम लोग भजन गाते हैं डेविड चिप्स इन डेविड भी बोलता है वी टू हैव अ ब्यूटिफुल सर्विस at the church I go to. I go there every Sunday. We light candles before the idols of Jesus and Mother Mary. So David is saying, I also go to churches Sunday, every Sunday, और हम लोग वहाँ पे क्या करते हैं कैंडल्स लगाते हैं before the idols of Jesus and Mother Mary. And I go to the Gurudwara with my mother. We sing the Shabad Kirtan there. Adds Amandeep. अमनदीप क्या बोलता है कि मैं अपनी माँ के साथ गुरुद्वारा जाता हूँ हम लोग वहाँ पे शबद कीर्तन करते हैं What is that? Asks Akriti. They are the hymns from the Guru Granth Sahib, our holy book. अमनदीप replies. आकृति क्या पूछती है अमनदीप से व्हाट इज दैट शबद कीर्तन जो बोलता है कि हम लोग शबद कीर्तन करते हैं गुरुद्वारे में आकृति पूछती है वो क्या होता है सो अमनदीप बोल रहे हैं कि दे आर द हिम्स फ्रॉम द गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब अवर होली बुक जो हमारी होली बुक है गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब वहां से उठाए हुए हिम्स हैं The conversation of the children is interrupted by the teacher. Children, we have reached the Baha'i temple. So teacher is there and teacher is now saying, all right, children, we are now there in the temple. Ali, Akriti, Amandeep, and David join their classmates and all the students form a queue. Normally, like you would have seen all the children, right? When we used to go to the trips or like you now go to school trips when you are there at the destination so all these students would form a long queue and a lot of teachers would be there around you to take care of you and to guide you where we have to go all in a group so that we are not lost and we do not go to any place unwanted place around that area so what's happening here is as well is that all these four friends they are joined by their classmates and all the students are forming a queue the teacher informs all the students, now here we are at a unique lotus shaped temple. Please be well behaved and don't make a noise now. We are ready to go in, right? This is what happens when teacher when you have formed a long queue and now teachers are there all around you तो teachers हम लोग को बोलते थे right हम लोग को बोलते हैं आप लोगों को बोलते हैं कि now you have to be well behaved आपको अच्छे तरीके से व्यवहार करना है कोई हल्ला गुल्ला कोई शोरबाजी नहीं होनी चाहिए और हम सब लोग अभी अंदर जाने वाले हैं शांति से जाना है अच्छे से यहाँ पर अपना जो एक्टिविटी करने आए हैं वो करना है और उसके बाद वापस चलना है, राइट? ये सारी इंस्ट्रक्शंस टीचर देती हैं. So Ali, Akriti, Amandeep, and David excitedly proceed towards the temple. But when they enter it, they are surprised. अभी वो लोग मंदिर में जाते हैं and after they get into the temple, they are all surprised. Why they are surprised? Ali says, "What a huge hall!" Akriti expresses astonishment and says, "But look, there are no statues of gods here." आकृति ने क्या बोला कि यहाँ तो कोई भगवान की मूर्ति ही नहीं है. And she was astonished. She expressed that with astonishment. Astonishment का मतलब होता है great surprise. Okay, remember this. Astonishment मतलब great surprise. David David too is surprised and adds, "And no altars too, like in the church." एंड डेविड ने क्या बोला, यहाँ पे कोई ऑल्टर भी नहीं है. ऑल्टर इज बेसिकली काइंड ऑफ टेबल वेयर ऑफरिंग्स आर like kept at. That is altar. Usually you would find in temples or like churches or any other religious place. Amandeep looks around and asks his friends, "Have you noticed that people of different faiths are saying their prayers here?" Their teacher, who is standing right behind them, overhears and explains, "Children, this temple has no idols of any deity and god. Here in the hall, anybody can pray to his or her own gods and goddesses." तो what teacher is saying is कि यहाँ पे इस मंदिर में कोई भी मूर्ति नहीं है, कोई भी भगवान की मूर्ति नहीं है, देवी देवताओं की मूर्ति नहीं है. यहाँ पे आप अपने गॉड गॉडेसेस जो भी हैं उनके बारे में आप प्रेयर कर सकते हो. The children are confused. Ali tells his teacher, "But we are Muslims, we pray in a mosque." And sir, I am a Hindu, I go to a temple to pray, says Akriti. बच्चे कंफ्यूज है कि यहाँ पे कोई मूर्ति नहीं है, हम कैसे पूजा करें. यहाँ पे नॉर्मली हम लोग जब मंदिर में जाते हैं, मस्जिद में जाते हैं, गुरुद्वारे में जाते हैं, चर्च में जाते हैं, तो वहाँ पे भगवान की मूर्ति होती है जिसके सामने हम लोग बैठ के खड़े होके जैसे भी है वो पूजा करते हैं. बट यहाँ तो कुछ है ही नहीं. सो टीचर इज ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन, I know. Now, Amandeep will say that he goes to a Gurudwara, David will say that he goes to a church, says the teacher. The teacher continues, "Children, God is omnipresent." God is omnipresent. Omnipresent का मतलब होता है यूनिवर्सल और एवरीवेयर. कोई अगर चीज हर जगह पे है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड omnipresent. The teacher is explaining that God is omnipresent. The children ask, "What do you mean?" The teacher explains, "I mean that he," what is he? He means God. The teacher is saying that he is present everywhere. See, children, people practice religions of their own choice and hence pray to different gods. But God is one. God is one. He has made all of us. Look at the four of you. You follow different religious faiths, but you are such good friends. The children nod their heads in agreement and hold hands. They are thrilled to visit a temple that is meant for people of all faiths and religions. So, all the teachers are now understanding and saying, and nodding to the teacher, "You are right. We are all so good friends and we practice different religions. So, we are now very thrilled." Akriti whispers to the others, "Wow, the temple is open to people of all faiths and religions." Amandeep adds, "And it's so beautiful." David declares, "We must come here again then. That way we can say our prayers and be together as well." "Yes, yes, let us do that," says Ali. "We will never forget now that God is omnipresent," adds his three friends. Ali ne bola God is omni, all the other friends added present because God is omnipresent. The children then go to a corner of prayer hall and say their individual prayers. So that was a wonderful story, and let us remember people of different faiths say prayers in different places of worship, but they all pray to the same God. हम लोग कहीं भी जाते हैं, अपने जब मंदिर, मस्जिद, गुरुद्वारा, चर्च, जो भी अपना रिलीजियस प्लेस है, वहाँ जाके अपने अपने तरीके से पूजा करते हैं, बट इन रियलिटी वी आर ऑल प्रेइंग टू द सेम गॉड. God is one. God is everywhere. We can pray to every God. ऐसा नहीं होता कि सिर्फ अगर हम हिंदू हैं तो हमें सिर्फ अपने ही भगवानों की पूजा करनी चाहिए. God is one, right? God is one. So you can pray to any God, every God. That is in essence only one. So I hope, guys, I hope, kids, that you loved the story and it was really wonderful. I am just showing you here. I hope all of you are already aware, but just to still show you that how typically these different religious places look like. This is a temple, this is a gurudwara, this is a mosque, and then this is a church. God is one. Always remember this fact, right? And this is the temple that is being discussed in this story. This is a Lotus Notes temple. Maybe some of you who are from Delhi, like I am from Delhi, and we have been to this place lot many times. This is a very wonderful place, wonderful, wonderful place. So this is a Lotus Notes and also called Baha'i Temple, and this story is all around this. When you go to this temple from here, you would see inside there is a very large hall, huge hall, and there is just no idol, nothing. Lot of tables are there where you can sit and then you can pray to your own god. So I hope you loved this story. Let's to, together let's take a quick look at the questions. Where are all the children going in a bus? Where are they going? Bahai Temple, Qutub Minar, Planetarium, or Jaipur? They are going to Lotus Temple. How do people pray in temples? Lighting a jyoti before idols and singing bhajans, lighting candles. So both can be true, but usually you would see एक ज्योति या दीप लगा के भगवान के सामने हम लोग तब भजन गाते हैं और पूजा करते हैं. Bahai temple is also known as Lotus Temple, Kalkaji Temple, Vaishno Temple, none of these. So the correct answer is Lotus Temples. The moral of the story is God is one and omnipresent. All right, kids, I hope you loved the story, learned few great words, new words, and their meanings. And with that, we will soon meet with a new story. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.